Colon cancer symptoms can be similar to the symptoms of many common conditions, such as indigestion, hemorrhoids, or irritable bowel syndrome. Alarm symptoms include bloody or painful bowel movements, abdominal pain, or cramps. Changes in bowel movement, shape. You might also lose weight without trying, feel very tired, and have anemia, a low red blood cell count. Talk to your doctor if you have any of these symptoms that do not go away in a few days. If you have symptoms, your doctor can do a colonoscopy to check for cancer. Remember, you need a regular screening colonoscopy to look for colon cancer. But you can also have one if you or your doctor suspect something is wrong. Regular screening tests for colon cancer are important to catch it early. A screening test checks for cancer in people who do not have symptoms. Colon cancer tests include home stool tests, a CT scan, a colonoscopy, a sigmoidoscopy, a partial colonoscopy that examines the lower colon. The home stool test can look for early cancer. A colonoscopy or sigmoidoscopy can both look for cancer and prevent it by removing polyps. A FIT test checks for hidden blood in bowel movements, while another test checks your stool for cancer DNA, which shows if a tumor is present. All these tests have you send samples of your bowel movements to a lab for testing. The most common test recommended for detecting polyps or early cancer is a colonoscopy. Your doctor will use a thin, flexible, lighted tube to check part or all of your colon. Doctors consider colonoscopy to be the most effective screening test. Your doctor can remove polyps during a colonoscopy or sigmoidoscopy. This can stop them from developing into cancer. Doing this can prevent more than 2/3 of colon cancers and 1/3 of colon cancer deaths. When to start screening, age 50 is the usual recommended time to start having a screening colonoscopy. If you have high risks, such as colon cancer in your family, you might need to start sooner, sometimes much sooner. Talk to your doctor about when to start, which screening tests you need, and how often. Men and women have a similar level of risk for colorectal cancer. While most people are over 50 when colon cancer develops, today doctors are finding more cancers in younger people. The main risk factors for colon cancer include having colon polyps or family members who had colon cancer, certain other cancers, or colon polyps. Obesity, smoking alcohol, use an unhealthy diet, including years of eating a lot of red meat and processed meats. There may be other risk factors that doctors do not yet know. Certain diseases also raise your colon cancer risk, such as ulcerative colitis or Crohn's disease, genetic diseases such as Lynch syndrome and familial adenomatous polyposis. Genetic diseases can lead to cancer as early as age 30. Colon cancers found when you have symptoms are likely to be much more advanced than those that cause no symptoms. Regular screening is important because cancer found before you have symptoms is more likely to be cured. You might want to avoid screening because it seems embarrassing and uncomfortable, but it doesn't have to be, and it can prevent cancer. Talk to your doctor about your risk and make a screening plan.
Let's be honest, talking about your digestive health isn't exactly dinner table conversation. But just because you can't see your insides doesn't mean you shouldn't care about their health. If you often feel sluggish or backed up after indulging in bacon, hot dogs, or steak, it might be time to rethink your diet. Overeating red meat can wreak havoc on your colon, leading to issues like hemorrhoids, polyps, and in extreme cases, cancer. Don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. By incorporating the right colon-friendly foods into your diet, you can protect your digestive system and stay regular. Let's dive into some of the best foods to keep your colon strong and healthy. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and oatmeal is one of the best options for your colon. Packed with fiber, calcium, vitamin D, and essential micronutrients, oatmeal works wonders for your digestive system. The soluble fiber in oatmeal absorbs water, forming a gel-like substance that bulks up your stool and helps keep you regular. In addition to aiding digestion, oatmeal has been shown to reduce the risk of colon cancer. A 2020 study revealed that the bioactive compounds in oats can act as a protective barrier against cancerous growths. And oatmeal isn't just for breakfast. Enjoy it in cookies, granola bars, or even savory dishes for a versatile and nutritious boost. Say goodbye to white bread, bagels, and croissants. They may be tasty, but they're not doing your colon any favors. Processed grains lack the fiber and nutrients your body needs for a healthy digestive system. Instead, opt for whole grain options like barley, brown rice, and buckwheat. Whole grains retain their bran, germ, and endosperm, ensuring a higher fiber content. The American Institute of Cancer Research recommends consuming at least 30 grams of fiber daily, and whole grains are a great way to meet this goal. Swap out white bread for whole grain tortillas, crackers, or cereals labeled enriched to maximize the nutritional benefits. When it comes to colon-friendly foods, leafy greens are unbeatable. These vegetables are rich in folate, iron, potassium, magnesium, and fiber, along with vitamins E, C, and K. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are excellent additions to your meals, but don't stop there. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cabbage have been shown to reduce the risk of colon cancer by nearly half, according to recent studies. If raw veggies aren't your thing, try steaming or sautéing them to preserve their nutrients while making them easier to eat. Yogurt, a probiotic powerhouse. Feeling bloated or dealing with digestive discomfort? Yogurt is your go-to solution. Rich in probiotics, yogurt promotes a healthy balance of good and harmful bacteria in your gut, helping to maintain a smoothly functioning digestive system. Regularly consuming yogurt can alleviate diarrhea, reduce bloating, and even lower your risk of colon-related diseases. Plus, it's versatile. Enjoy it plain, in smoothies, or as a topping for your favorite dishes. Olive oil liquid gold for digestion. A drizzle of olive oil can do wonders for your colon. This healthy fat not only enhances the flavor of your meals, but also acts as a natural lubricant for your digestive system. Using extra virgin olive oil can soften your stool, making it easier to pass and preventing constipation. Studies have even found olive oil beneficial for patients with kidney issues, proving its wide-ranging health benefits. Swap out vegetable oils like canola or soybean for olive oil to improve your overall well-being. Garlic, the superfood your colon needs. Garlic isn't just a kitchen staple, it's a superfood for your colon. Packed with compounds like selenium, arginine, and augine, garlic has antiviral, antibacterial, and antiparasitic properties. Studies have shown that garlic can significantly reduce the risk of colon cancer and non-cancerous growths. Use it generously in your cooking, whether it's in pasta, tacos, or roasted veggies, to reap its incredible health benefits. Cucumbers, hydration and fiber in one. Did you know cucumbers are technically a fruit? This hydrating snack is a fantastic addition to your colon-friendly diet. Cucumbers are packed with pectin, a fiber that promotes regular bowel movements, and their high water content helps keep your body hydrated. Cucurbitacin B, a compound found in cucumbers, has been shown to inhibit the growth of colon cancer cells. Add them to salads, sandwiches, or enjoy them pickled for a tangy treat. Black raspberries, tiny but mighty. When it comes to fruits, black raspberries are among the best for your colon. These tiny berries are packed with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and cancer-fighting properties. Studies have demonstrated that black raspberries can effectively kill colorectal cancer cells in animal models. Use them to top yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or snack on them fresh for a sweet and healthy boost. Mangoes, a sweet solution. Mangoes aren't just delicious, they're also incredibly good for your colon. Loaded with polyphenols, vitamin A, and vitamin C, mangoes can reduce symptoms of ulcerative colitis and lower biomarkers associated with colon cancer. The fiber in mangoes also helps alleviate constipation, ensuring your digestive system runs smoothly. Add mango chunks to salads, salsas, or even grilled dishes for a tropical twist. Beans and legumes, plant-based protein power. If you're looking for a protein source that's easy on your colon, beans and legumes are the answer. Black beans, chickpeas, lentils, and peas are all rich in fiber, antioxidants, and phytochemicals that support gut health and prevent cancer. Oily fish, a healthy protein choice. If you're not a fan of beans, oily fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent alternatives. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and slow the spread of aggressive cancers. In addition to benefiting your colon, omega-3s are fantastic for heart health and brain function. Enjoy grilled or baked fish as a main dish, or add canned sardines to salads and wraps. However, be cautious with larger fish like swordfish and tuna, as they may contain higher levels of mercury. Lean meats, a better alternative. Red meat and processed meats like bacon and sausages can increase your risk of colon cancer. But that doesn't mean you need to give up meat altogether. Instead, switch to lean options like skinless chicken, turkey, or pork loin. Using lean meats in your meals reduces the amount of unhealthy fats in your diet, which is better for your colon and overall health. Experiment with ground turkey for tacos or chicken breast in stir-fries to make healthier versions of your favorite dishes. Sweet potatoes, a nutrient-packed carb. Sweet potatoes are more than just a side dish, they're a colon-friendly superfood. Packed with fiber, vitamin A, and antioxidants, sweet potatoes support gut health and regular digestion. The natural sweetness makes them versatile for both savory and sweet dishes. Bake them, mash them, or add roasted chunks to salads for a boost of flavor and nutrition. Bananas, easy on the stomach. Bananas are often considered the perfect snack, and they're especially good for your colon. They're easy to digest, making them a go-to food when your stomach is upset. Rich in potassium and pectin, bananas help restore electrolyte balance and support regular bowel movements. Plus, their natural sweetness makes them a satisfying alternative to sugary snacks. Berries, nature's candy. We've already talked about black raspberries, but don't overlook other berries like strawberries, blueberries, and cranberries. These fruits are loaded with antioxidants that protect your colon from oxidative stress. Berries are also high in fiber, which keeps your digestive system running smoothly. Add them to smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt for a burst of flavor and health benefits. Nuts and seeds, small but mighty. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are tiny, but they pack a nutritional punch. They're excellent sources of fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants, all of which promote gut health. Flax seeds in particular contain lignans, compounds that may lower the risk of colon cancer. Sprinkle nuts and seeds over salads, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy them as a snack for a simple way to support your colon. Citrus fruits, a vitamin C boost. Oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are high in vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy immune system and gut. Vitamin C helps neutralize free radicals that can damage colon cells, reducing the risk of cancer. Start your day with a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice or add lemon slices to your water for a refreshing and colon-friendly boost. Fermented Foods gut-friendly powerhouses. We've already highlighted yogurt, but don't forget other fermented foods like kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, and miso. These foods are rich in probiotics, which restore and maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria. A well-balanced gut microbiome supports digestion, reduces inflammation, and helps prevent colon-related diseases. Incorporate fermented foods into your diet regularly to keep your digestive system thriving. Carrots, crunchy, and colon-friendly. Carrots are more than just a crunchy snack. They're a great source of beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in your body. This vitamin supports the health of your mucous membranes, including those in your colon. Carrots are also high in fiber, which promotes regular bowel movements. Enjoy them raw, roasted, or blended into soups for a versatile and nutritious addition to your diet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends and family. Together, we can promote better health and happier lives. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos designed to help you live your healthiest life.